How to clean up your PC for better performance. Hi, welcome to Tech Tools. New to this channel, click that subscribe button while I walk you through. Step 1. Open your Windows Explorer. Now click on this PC. Right-click on your C drive. Below you should see Properties, click on it. In the Properties box, click on Disk Cleanup. Depending on your PC, the disk cleanup might take few seconds to load. Please hit the subscribe button below this video, like, and also comment which of the steps helped. Disk cleanup is loading. You should be patient. Good things takes time, they say. I bet you after following these steps your PC will run smooth again. While waiting, we've got recommended videos in description. Check that out after watching this video. When you see this box, what I want you to do is select every option here by clicking on them. When you're done with that, click on OK. You'll be asked if you want to permanently delete the files. Click on Delete Files. Don't worry, this won't affect your important files. They are all junks. They only slow down the performance of your laptop. Let us know in comment if this step works for you. If no, then wait for the second step. You have to allow this load to end, so let's wait. Please subscribe. This will help us grow. You can as well join our WhatsApp group using the link in description. Step 1 complete. Disk cleanup successfully. Now let's proceed to the second step. Step 2. Click on the Start button. Type Run. Now click on Run. Type Prefetch. Text is on screen. After typing, click on OK. Click on Continue to grant permission. This will open temporal files that have been hiding in your PC for a long time. What you should do next is delete them. Don't worry, this won't delete anything useful in your PC. Press the Ctrl+A button, right-click and next select Delete. Now let's go to Step 3, the final step. If step 2 worked for you, comment below. Let's know which step works for you. Step 3. Click on the Start button. Now you should search for Task Manager. Please subscribe while I walk you through the final step. When the Task Manager box opens, click on Startup. What you see here are programs that loads up immediately you turn on your computer. This slows down the performance of your PC. You should disable them. To do that, right-click on each one and select the Disable option. Hi, we are Tech Tools. Hope this tutorial helped. If it does, please leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe. If it doesn't, still leave a comment below with what error you are currently facing. Also, check description for important links.